Welcome to my channel, Purposeful Play, where I talk about all things early childhood education. I'm Danielle and I teach 4K in Wisconsin. And today I'm going to show you what a typical teaching day looks like for me in the virtual world. So let's get started. Most days I wake up, I'm a little crooked here, let me fix this. Wake up at 6:30 and my husband and I take turns working out and looking after the dog. So today was my day to work out and I did yoga. That's actually usually my workout. On the days that I'm not doing yoga, I take the dogs for a long walk. Yoga with Adrien is my favorite. So I follow her on YouTube. I do all the videos on YouTube and I felt like I needed something a little bit more challenging, a little bit different. So I subscribe to her app now, which is Find What Feels Good, and it is really worth it. I absolutely love it. So I did my yoga, then I do my meditation, and I don't do my meditation every day. I try, but sometimes I just don't have time. Well, okay, I have the time, I don't make the time. And I use the Calm app, which I got for free. Being a teacher, I got a free subscription. It's kind of pricey. It's about $60, maybe $70 a year. And I signed up with my teacher email years ago, and I still have that free subscription. So if you can, you might want to check it out. I don't know if they still do it, but I absolutely love that app. I use it for meditation. I use it often when I need to sleep because they have sleep stories. So it's fantastic. So that's how I start my day. Then I shower and come out and have my breakfast. Most days, I start with chocolate. I know there are vlogs, this is a vlog, I guess, of people who, make their protein shake with their kale and their whatever you put in protein shakes. And I start my day with a piece of chocolate. Yeah, sugar. And I am happy to see that my daughter came home yesterday after being with her friends with a bunch of treats. And it's this, they call it Christmas crack. It's crackers. I think it's melted butter, soda biscuits, and then you microwave it, and then you put melted chocolate on top. It is so good. So this is how I'm gonna start my day. And then I'm gonna eat my breakfast, which is also very sugary. So this is my morning drink every day. And if I run out of this, then I go out to a coffee shop and get a chai tea latte. This one is my at-home favorite one. It's just a Tazo skinny chai tea, and I guess it has fewer calories than the regular. It's not as sweet, which for me says a lot because I do love sweet. This is my favorite drink. I don't drink coffee, so this is what I have every day. About 8:30, and this is when I sit down in my room, my craft room, or my school room, and I check my email and respond to anything I need to respond to, and I also look at Seesaw assignments and activities that came in after my day ended yesterday, so I'm gonna do that right now. One of the good things about working from home is that I don't have to worry about blow drying my hair, because Wisconsin winters are freezing cold, and I would be 2 minutes outside and my hair would be icicles. So I don't have to worry about blow drying my hair, which I really don't like to do anyways, because if any of you have curly hair, you blow dry it and it just gets bigger and frizzier, and I don't like it. So I'm happy to not have to do that. And got my mug of chai tea. Every day I am either the lady of the house or I'm the world's best mom. And what a great way to start your day, right? Those are my two favorite mugs, lady of the house and world's best mom. And then for breakfast, I'm having, what am I having? These Too Good yogurts are so good. 2 grams of sugar, 2 grams of fat, I think, and then 12 grams of protein. That's pretty darn good. And then I just sprinkle granola on the top and eat it right out of the cup thing. And then an orange or a cutie is my breakfast. And of course the chocolate. Gotta have my chocolate. So I'm done with my emails and Seesaw stuff. That took me a lot longer than I thought. It's like 9:30, so I'm gonna quick set up my area here. I've got to get the question of the day done. I'm making a couple of puppets for our meeting today, and I need to tidy up because it's messy and it bothers me. So I'm gonna quick do that and then hop on and chat with my co-teacher before we start our large group meeting. So I got everything cleaned up. I got my question of the day ready to go, which is, will this book be the same? And I have got my document camera, so I've got that under my document camera. We're reading The Gingerbread Man today, and then I decided I'm not gonna read the book. I'm gonna tell the story with the little puppets I just made. They're just photocopies from the book and popsicle sticks. So I'm gonna do that. I think I am all ready to go, so I'm gonna hop on my Zoom link and be ready to get started. Does anybody remember what the gingerbread man says again and again and again? Who remembers what he says?
Run, back you can catch the gingerbread man.
All right, everybody get ready. We're gonna run like the gingerbread man. Are you ready? And we're gonna say it together. Ready? Run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Stop. Okay, so here's the covers. This one's called the gingerbread man. This one's called the gingerbread man. Will this one be the same as the one we read yesterday? You can say yes, you can say no, or like Reese had it, you might say yes and no, which means it's a little bit the same and a little bit different. But first we better get ready for the story. Are you ready? Open your eyes, open your ears, close your mouth, breathe through your nose. Once upon a time, there was a little old man and a little old woman. You'll notice that I don't have the book. I'm gonna tell this story with my puppets. There's a little old man and a little old woman. One day, the little old woman said, "Let's make a gingerbread man." "Yes, let's do," said the little, and he put his hands on his hips and he said, Run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
The fox.
It is the fox, you're right. But you know what? The gingerbread man looked up at him and he put his hands on his hips. Everybody put your hands on your hips. And he said, so ends the tale of the gingerbread man. The end! Yay!
All right, friends, let's get a hand up, a gingerbread hand. Get up, gingerbread hand. I'm gonna sing it in my gingerbread voice. Here we go. It's time to say goodbye.
It's time to say goodbye. We've had fun, but now we're done. It's time to say goodbye. I am done my morning Zooms, and I have 6 minutes to get my lunch made and get on Zoom again, because I do a lunch bunch with my kids once a week. So they are going to meet me and eat lunch with me. It just gives us a time to chat about whatever, what you're having for lunch, what you did on the weekend. It doesn't really matter. So I'm making myself a little leftover pasta. I'm sure I gotta find a vegetable or fruit to add to my lunch, and then I'm gonna get on my lunch bunch Zoom. I'm done lunch with my lunch bunch with my kids, and I went a little over, so I have like 10-ish minutes to get ready for my second large group of the day. So I have 2 classes. I do a large group in the morning and a large group in the afternoon. So I gotta zip into my craft room and get ready for that one. I do the exact same thing again, but with my second set of kids. And of course, each group is different. And this one's big. This one has 25 kids in it. The other class only has, how many does that one have? 15? The other one has 15. Not everybody shows up, but the class in the afternoon, almost everybody shows up almost every time. So I'm gonna get ready, my question of the day, my puppets, and I'm just gonna get it all ready. All right, it's shortly after 3, and I finished, what did I just do? I did 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I did 6. Thought it was 4, but I did 6 play groups, which are 2 kids at a time and me. And in a couple of those play groups, I didn't even have to say anything. The kids just talked and played the entire time. I kind of got them going on a couple of different activities and games, but then they played and giggled themselves, and it was so fun to watch. So now I usually take about an hour to go through Seesaw stuff and reply to any emails that I haven't seen yet today. Made myself another cup of tea. So now I was the lady of the house. Now I'm the world's greatest mom. Gonna have that while I finish up. And then that is my day. I have had, let's count up. I had a large group. I had 2 small groups. I had my lunch bunch, which was fun. I had another large group, and then I had 6 small group or 6 play groups. I had 11 Zoom meetings today, which is why you're still seeing me sitting right here where you saw me like many hours ago, because I spend so much time Zooming right in this spot. So that is my day. Typical day for a virtual teacher. Fun. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit subscribe so you can see the next ones, and have a happy day.